guys, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas and I'm wishing you all a Happy New Year. So today's video is my annual New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. I will link down below my Christmas makeup tutorial if you are interested in watching that one. But every single year I do a New Year's Eve one as well. So today's New Year's Eve makeup is all drugstore, it's all affordable. It's also quite simple and quick and easy to do. And it's kind of like a natural glam. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, first of all, I'm starting off with a moisturizer. So this is the L'Oreal Revitalift serum. And I'm going to blend this in then with my e.l.f. small stippling brush. And then for primer, I'm using the e.l.f. Moisture Lock Mattifying Primer on the same brush. Okay, so for foundation, I'm mixing two foundations together. So I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution IRL Filter Longwear Foundation Breathable Soft Matte in the shade F1. And mixing that with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Radiance Foundation, also in the shade F1. And I'm using my Clomana Marshmallow Shape 1 sponge to blend that in. These are very full coverage foundations, so you don't need too much at all. Okay, now I'm going in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand Contour in the shade Fair to Light. And I'm going to blend that in with my Morphe M436 brush. Now for concealer, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer in the shade C1. Then I'm going to blend that in with my Real Techniques contour brush. Now I'm going to set my face using the Colourpop No Filter Loose Setting Powder in the shade Translucent. And I'm going to use my Morphe G35 brush to set my eye area first. Then I'm using my E2 brush to set the rest of my face. Now for bronzer, I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Light Bronzer on my It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless powder brush. Then for blush, I'm using the Colourpop Pressed Powder Blush in the shade Flirt Alert, using my It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe French Boutique Blush Brush. And then for highlighter, I'm using the Wet n Wild Colour Icon bronzer, but it's a highlighter, in the shade Reserve Your Cabana, using my Sigma Tapered Highlighter F35 brush. So today I'm going to be using the Revolution eyeshadow palette. It's the Forever Flawless Allure eyeshadow palette. Now I'm going to take this shade on my Morphe R37 brush through the crease. What I didn't notice previously was that the eyeshadows have names. So the one I just used was called Charisma. Now I'm going in with this one, again on the crease, but also I'm going to focus it on the outer and inner corners. And this one is called Jade, and I'm going to use my Morphe M412 brush. I'm kind of going to do a halo eye today, so I want to focus some colours on the outer and inner corners, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm also going to take those same colours on my lower lash line using my Morphe E18 brush. Now I'm going to take two Colourpop Super Shock shadows. So the first one I'm going to use is called Party of 5, and it's like a mauvey, purpley, pinky type shade. I'm going to put that on my little finger and spread that all over the lid. Then I'm going to blend a little bit more before I do anything else. Then I'm going in with the other Super Shock shadow, and this one is in the shade Ladybird, and I'm going to put that just in the middle. Now I'm going in with some clear eyebrow gel. This is the No. 7 Brow and Lash Lamination Clear Mascara, Brow Mascara. Then I'm using my NYX Epic Wear eyeliner in the shade Deepest Brown. Then I'm using my NYX Dewy Finish Makeup Setting Spray. Then for mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational in the shade Very Black and my Tweezerman Eyelash Curlers. Now finally for lips, I'm using the Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Pasadena. Okay, so that completes this video. This was my quick, simple and relatively easy drugstore halo eye New Year's Eve makeup tutorial 2024. So I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!